Music video? Yeah.
Today is January 18th, and Alan has been trying all week, and he has successfully learned how to blow bubbles. Bubbles. That's right. You want to show us one more time how to blow bubbles? Bubbles. Okay, what do we do with the water? You gotta hold on to your drumstick. Yes, most bubble blowers are drummers also. Wanna blow some more bubbles? Okay, we'll bring the water to you. Excellent bubble blowing skills, little man. Rock on.